Extreme flexibility, setup, and user-friendliness are just a few of the points that distinguish the W11 CNC cylindrical grinding machine from EMAG Weiss. Predestined for one-off and prototype production, the machine processes parts with a small diameter of up to 350 mm and a length of up to 2,000 mm, performs pair, grinding, and sample production.
As you can see, the W11 CNC provides a great access to the workpiece area for the operator. This allows an easy changeover of the workpiece, the tools, the clamping system, and also the setup of the grinding process. With our own developed dialog-based programming system, we provide the operator an easy way to create CNC programs for OD grinding, ID grinding, dressing, and tool management.